My name is Shannon Lott, and I am pursuing the Master's of Science in Leadership degree. It is very feasible to work full-time and go back to school as an adult. It's just focusing on priorities between God, family, and work. You have to make learning a priority in your life and use it for an opportunity for growth. I'm currently about halfway complete with the program. Have been very pleased thus far with the way the staff and the faculty have been able to help me adjust to coming back to school after a lengthy delay, but also being accommodating to my life as a military soldier. Sometimes classes don't always work out with my military assignments, so I have to occasionally adjust, and they've been very accommodating. Being an active duty military soldier, I'm used to pretty regimented schedules and also having to remain flexible at the same time, and I think that's what allowed me to grow as an adult learner is being able to adapt and have flexibility and shifting priorities. It's not an easy task to be an adult learner while working full-time and maintaining a family. It's just a shifting of priorities, but it's very achievable with the plan that Belhaven gives you, taking one class at a time and having a good support team in each class allows the growth to develop. So I find it has been an achievable goal. Well, I definitely believe that through some of the principles and the opportunities for learning at Belhaven, I've been able to apply them to my work life through coaching and mentoring and dealing with the individuals I supervise on a daily basis. I've been able to probably reach one of my biggest goals, and that was becoming the best leader that I could be for the people I supervise. I have a responsibility to do that, and I feel that Belhaven has helped me do that. Encouraging my coworkers to attend Belhaven would be a good experience for me because the format is set up for adult learners to be successful. The lesson materials are very challenging, but they are achievable through hard planned work and having a good support team at home as well in your classroom environment. So it wouldn't be difficult to convince someone, and also it's very cost prohibitive for a military member to attend Belhaven.